In this video, we're going to be looking at how to check your Surrey365 email through a desktop program, or as some people call it, a client. So normally you would check your email through the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, log on to surrey365.surrey.ac.uk, but actually you get an awful lot more out of it if you use a dedicated email program, and that's what we're going to look at today. Now, the email program that works best with Surrey365, because it's Microsoft Exchange, is Microsoft Outlook. Now, Outlook is part of Office, which means you have to pay for it. Now, I know that many students out there will be using non-genuine copies of Office as they're known, or pirated versions. That's a really bad idea. There's always a risk with using non-genuine or pirated versions that just before a deadline or when you need it most, your pirated version of Outlook or Office will stop working. If you go on the Union website homepage, you'll find a link to Office 2010. It's called the Ultimate Steal, the university version. I know, it's a penny short of £70. £70 is a lot of money. It'll last you for your university career. Really, it's worthwhile making the investment in buying the full version of Office legitimately, so that you know that it will never stop working when you need it most. So if you've bought Office, then you will have Microsoft Outlook, and it's dead simple to use Outlook with Surrey365. And when you start Outlook for the first time, you'll see a screen like this. So we'll assume that you haven't got an email account already set up with Outlook, but if you do, I'm going to add a second account to Outlook and show you how to do that later on. Just follow through the prompts. Would you like to configure an email account? Yes. That's who I'm logged on at the moment, so I shall log on with the test account that I'm using. Put in the password twice, click next. We wait for a second. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's dead simple to set up Outlook with Surrey365. You just type in your username, your email address, password. It will find the settings and it will set it up for you. It takes a small second for Outlook to load up, and then the first time you have to do it, always put in your name and your initials. Okay, here is what Outlook looks like, and if you've never used it before, then it's pretty intuitive. It looks like a more advanced version of what you're used to looking at on the Surrey365 website. I'm not going to go into great details about what you can do, because it's a huge program. It's very detailed, and there's lots and lots of help videos out there on the internet. The easiest thing to look at is down the side here, where you've got your email, your calendar, your contacts, and your to-do list. Work your way through that and have a play, and it's dead easy. So let's say, for example, that you already use Outlook and you want to add your Surrey365 account to it. So you might be using Outlook for your Hotmail or for something else, or you might have a placement work account. Dead simple. We go to account settings, and there's your default account. So we will just add a new email account. Same thing happens again. You do have to restart Outlook once you've added a second email account. And there you are. So it will ask you for the passwords for both accounts, and then you will notice down the left hand side you've got two email accounts. These are the two test accounts that we've been using, 3150 and 3151. And that is how to set up Outlook with Surrey365.